This is Ardubee, the most integrated and modular drone built on the open-source Ardupilot project. It can fly both indoor and outdoor, and it's small and light. We developed this flying electronic board through a lot of iterations, selecting the best components to make it open, programmable, and modular. It has best-in-class IMU, compass, barometer, and ESCs with real-time telemetry. You can receive sensor data from your computer or phone on Wi-Fi or save it on the SD card, all processed by the powerful H7 flight controller. Ardubee is open. It supports a vast range of radios. For battery, instead of the less efficient LiPo with wires, it uses Li-ion technology, easy to plug in and swapped. It can be used indoor and outdoor with its powerful and durable brushless motors. You can mount your preferred motors either on top or bottom. The same DIY concept is for the propellers. You can mount the lightest for endurance, a 3-blade one for more thrust, or experiment other shapes. Eliminating all cables and connectors, Ardubee is a state-of-the-art electronic flying board. Ardubee is programmable. It's built on the open-source project Ardupilot, which is used on more than 1 million vehicles worldwide and has a lot of features. Flight planning, object avoidance, follow me, geofencing, precision landing, and more. On top of that, you can use your preferred programming language to receive data and send commands with Mavlink Protocol and ROS. You can customize the firmware too, from high-level Lua scripts to hardware driver C++. All of this is already on GitHub, maintained daily by the wonderful Ardupilot community of researchers, professionals, and enthusiasts. Ardubee is modular. With these two connectors, you can stack add-ons on top. For autonomous outdoor flight, GPS add-on. For autonomous indoor flight, optical add-on. For indoor drone swarm, indoor positioning system. To prevent collisions, avoidance add-on. To connect sensors, servos, or companion computers, dev board add-on. To protect the frame and boost the motor efficiency, duct add-on, and more are coming. Light add-on, vision add-on. Our team has been designing and building drones for 10 years, making them smaller and smaller, from aerial photography to robot swarms. And Ardubee is the state-of-the-art of our research. Now we need you to complete the last steps and begin production. Back Ardubee now to make your ideas fly.
We have a lot of meetings every day, so it's easy to get a little bit muddled. Maybe it's the same with you. Your boss might say, "Hey, you, share the minutes of the meeting with the others afterwards." And so, your problems begin.
И вот мы потом отправляем эти контейнеры, и туда потом миллионы, 8 миллионов долларов, и 8 миллионов долларов.
You can't keep up with your boss's speed.
Продаем. Корабли лавировали, да не лавировали.
Is your phone a good way to record the meeting? But maybe you just can't avoid using your phone whilst you're recording.
Oh my God!
Does this problem sound familiar? I think this is what you need. With Langogo Summit, you won't be needing these anymore. Because of AI transcription, it can save you time. And it's so simple to get involved in a meeting now. Its Note-to-Cloud service supports saving documents. You can browse, listen, edit, export, and share. Oh, security! With ID authentication, unique encryption algorithms, and support from Google, Microsoft, and Amazon, your data in Langogo Summit is protected and secured. No matter if it's a meeting or a client visit, it's sure to come in handy. Try this. Intelligent recording by Langogo Summit will break the language barrier. And maybe you'll become best friends. You might get interrupted by unexpected things, lose many creative thoughts, or maybe even miss some important moments. Idea Node records your inspirations at any time and arranges your time for you. Turn your thoughts into words. This is an awesome invention. It allows me to easily manage my ideas and plans. Now we have more time to get stuff done. Oh, and don't forget this. All right, let's go get a drink.
Get enough for your old bulky laptop stand? It's time for some new stands, something quick, easy, and looks good. MUKI BounceMan, the world's smallest and invisible stand for all your electronic devices. MUKI BounceMan is compatible with all devices, laptop, iPad, or smartphone. The built-in spring installment can set up or retract in only 0.3 seconds. MUKI BounceMan is thin and lightweight. Also, the zinc alloy materials can bear 22 kilograms without any shaking. Its ergonomic angle can be good for your neck. The well design of MUKI BounceMan won't shelter vents that gives your laptop better airflow. Nice silicone padding at the bottom of the stand helps prevent the laptop from slipping. And it's firmly attached to the laptop by 3M glue. Easy to carry, quick to open. MUKI BounceMan, your perfect work buddy.
Creation is the combination of innovation and love, inspired by what we seek to learn, the things we dream for, and a necessity for discovery. And with the Artist D 3D printer, you can create it all. The Artist D 3D printer features a unique, independent dual extruder with 4 different modes. The 3D Artist structure can print 2 different materials or 2 different colors on the same model. This supports greater access to creativity, innovation in creation, and unique forms never before possible. The Artist D assembles quickly and easily, with clean, drip-free operation during your build. Our high-class, gap-free feeding system makes the feeding and retracting process exceptionally smooth. With an expertly designed, shortened distance between the tube and nozzle throat to prevent clogging during extrusion. The workspace accommodates projects of a large size. The strong metal base supports a finely accurate industrial-grade linear rail slider and a 32-bit stepping driver chip for silent operations. A flexible and strong steel sheet magnetic suction mat plate that holds firmly during the build but releases the final model cleanly. And the build process is fail-free. The Artist D supports highly modularized open-source software, SmoothieWare, so it's easy to create, but open to modifications as your build complexity grows. Plus, it disassembles quickly and cleanly, is easy for anyone to maintain, and comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. So when you have ideas to create, product to manufacture, or simply want a new way to learn, Artist D is here to provide a world only limited by your imagination. 3D print your life with Artist D.